If you just got a new PC, here are 6 apps that I want to share with you that will make your Windows experience way more convenient and enjoyable to use. You might already know some of them, but I guarantee there is at least one tip you haven't heard before. The first app in the list is called WinToys, and this is the safest tool to optimize and debloat Windows because it shows all the built-in Windows settings that are hidden in one place by category. In homepage, you'll see your system information, how many apps you have installed, how many processes are running in the background, services. If you go to the app section, here you can uninstall the apps that you don't want to use, basically debloat Windows. If you go to services, it will show you all the services installed on your system and you can filter them by useless. Then you can disable them manually, like connected user experience and telemetry. If you don't want that, you can right click, stop it, and you can set a mode to manual or disable. If you go to performance, you'll see performance related settings, like you can enable ultimate performance power plan, GPU scheduling, and many other. If you go to health, you'll find even more options such as fast startup, hibernation, cleanup, drive optimization, repair. If you go to tweaks, you'll find even more settings related to the desktop tweaks or start menu tweaks, file explorer tweaks, privacy related tweaks. Next app in the list is called Everything. With this tool, you can search your files instantly on your system. Anything that you search here will appear instantly, unlike the Windows search. If I compare this right now, like I'm looking for a screenshot files, it's been over a minute and I'm still waiting for it to find the file for me. It just simply doesn't work. So if I try to search anything on Everything, it just works instantly. And you can also find them by the file extension, like the PNG, MP4, MP3, whatever you're looking for. By default, it just works better than Windows search. It's super fast, but there are some advanced settings that you can use. You can add a bookmark for specific file format, file name, date, etc. And you can customize the search however you want. Next app is called EarTrumpet. After installing this application, it will show you similar icon to the Windows speaker icon. And when you click on this, it will show you all the applications that are playing the audio, and you can control the volume for each app individually, which is more convenient than the default volume mixer. Next app is called EaseUS Partition Master. This is a superior disk management tool than the default Windows disk management. It combines wide range of disk management features, including resizing, formatting, password reset, even BitLocker decryption, which you can't find in default disk management tool in Windows. You can easily split disk or merge, resize, move. You can also easily check the disk health. It shows the status of your disk by percentage, how healthy your disk is, alongside the temperature. However, for advanced features like moving space from another drive to your C drive, which I have covered in this video, along with system migration and disk cloning, it does require a pro license. But if you're just looking to check disk health, format drives, USB sticks, or SD cards, and do basic partition resizing, the free version is more than enough. Next app in the list is called UniGetUI. It lets you install multiple apps at once on a new PC without downloading them one by one from different websites. You can select as many apps as you want and create a bundle, and then you can install them at once, just like this. You can use this as a software management tool. You can search for specific software without going into their official website. You can update the softwares that you have installed in here. This is basically a GUI for managing the terminal-based package managers like Winget, Scoop, Chocolatey, NPM, Bun, pip. Next app in the list is called Revo Uninstaller. This is an advanced uninstallation tool for Windows. When you uninstall programs using this not only just uninstalls the program, it removes the leftover files and registry entries after uninstalling the program, which is much cleaner than the default uninstallation method. It will perform a uninstallation as usual. Once the uninstallation is complete, you can scan for the leftover files. You can select them all and then click delete to delete delete the leftover files and folders. By default, it shows the legacy Windows applications. If you want to uninstall the built-in Windows apps or the apps that you have downloaded from the Microsoft Store, you have to click on Windows Apps, and then it will show you the apps that you have downloaded from the Microsoft Store. And here, similar to legacy app uninstallation method, you can right-click, uninstall, and then continue and uninstall the apps. And that's it for this video. If you know any other tools worth checking out, drop them in the comments. I'll pick a few and cover them in a future video.